Hello student, welcome to the next lecture of graph theory. In the last lecture we have done cut vertices, cut edges, counting path between vertices. In this lecture we will cover Euler path, Euler circuit, Hamiltonian path, Hamiltonian circuit. So first, what is simple path and the difference between, we can say that what is the difference between simple path and Euler path? A route around a graph that visits every vertex once. It's called the simple path. See, for example, this is the one vertex, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the simple path along this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are visiting every vertex once. In this case, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So see, a route around a graph that visits every edge once. So in the case of Euler path, our condition is we have to visit the edge once. It's called the Euler path. So see, 1, then 2, then 3, then 1, then 4, then 3. So I'm writing it here, 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 and then 3. So this is the Euler path. Next, again, the definition of Euler path in a multigraph G, it's a simple path that contains every edge of capital G. So every edge occurs exactly once in the path. See the example here. This is the Euler path. You can see it here. This is the Euler path. See, Euler circuit in a multigraph G, it's a simple circuit that contains every edge of G. Every edge occurs exactly once in the circuit. The point is that in the case of circuit, as we have studied earlier also, circuit means it's a closed path, means starting and ending vertex should be same. So see, this gets started from this point, then towards this, then towards this and so on, then towards this path, then this and to this. So that our starting and ending node is same. Next is important points related to Euler path and Euler circuit. A graph has an Euler circuit if and only if the degree of every vertex is even. So see, this graph will contain an Euler circuit if the degree of every vertex is even. But in this case, I don't think so every vertex is having the degree even, because 0, it's of degree 3 and 4, it's of degree 1. So that's why it does not contain any Euler circuit. But for the Euler path, the condition is if there are at most 2 vertices with odd degree. So see, I hope this condition get fulfilled. So that's why it's an Eulerian path. What is that? 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0. But no cycle or circuit. Next example. This graph is not Eulerian because there are 4 vertices with odd degree. So what are those vertices? That is 1, 0 and 3 and 4. So these are of degree odd. Next is this graph has Eulerian cycle. Cycle means circuit. So for example, because all the vertices are of even degree, you can check it: 2, yes even, 1 even, 0 even, 3 even, 4 even. So that's why it contains an Euler circuit. What is this circuit? 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 0, 2, because all the vertices have even degree. Next is Hamiltonian path. It's in a undirected graph G. It's a simple path that visits every vertex exactly once. So the meaning is, see, in this case, we are moving in this way and we are visiting every vertex exactly once. This is the Hamiltonian path. Hamilton path, we can also call it as. Next, see the example. So for this particular graph, number 1, the path is A, B, A to B, then B to C, then to D, then to E. So we have visited every vertex. So that's why this is the Hamiltonian path. In this case, the Hamiltonian path is E, A, B, then C, then D. Yes, we have visited every vertex. In this case, the Hamiltonian path does not exist. So next is Hamiltonian circuit. We have to visit every vertex exactly once except for the common start and end vertex, which is seen exactly twice, because in the case of circuit, starting and ending vertex should be same. So the point is that we have to start from this vertex. This is the starting as well as the ending vertex. So see, we are moving in this direction and we are ending it here only. So we have visited every vertex. This is the Hamiltonian circuit for this particular graph. See the examples. So the Hamiltonian circuit is A, B, C, E, E, D, A. Yes, it is okay. In this case, Hamiltonian circuit does not exist. In this case, again, Hamiltonian circuit does not exist. Reason is the same. Starting and ending vertex, if it should be same, and the closed path is there, so that means it contains the Hamiltonian circuit, otherwise not. So thank you very much for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will cover graph coloring.